Students and friends, good morning. Today let us learn mathematics, 10th quadratic equations 4.2. Yes, heading is find the roots of the following quadratic equations. Second problem. What is second problem? Solve the problems given in example 1. In the textbook, in the beginning of the chapter, fourth chapter, given one example. In the one example, two sums are there, two bits are there, but there only equations found. But here we have to find out the equations and solve the roots also, solve the answers also, solve the equations also, quadratic equations. Is it clear? Let us do first grade. Solve as John and Janvi together has 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have 124. Would you like to find out how many marbles they had to start with? What is this? First of all, let us understand. Two people are there, John and Janvi. Two people together has 45 marbles. Yes, marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. John lost 5 marbles. Janvi also lost 5 marbles. Yes. Now, after losing 5 marbles, some number of marbles John has and some number of marbles Janvi has. If we find out the product, that means if we multiply that is equal to 124. Then we get 124 marbles, that is equal to 125 marbles. 124 marbles. Yes, let us do. Find out each marbles how many John has and Janvi has. Is it? Let us do. John and Janvi has 45 marbles. John and Janvi. Janvi has how many marbles? 45 marbles. Yes. Now John has and Janvi has together has 45 marbles. But how many John has, how many Janvi has, we did not know. Let us think John has 5x marbles. John has x marbles. Let us say John has x marbles. X marbles. Of the total 45 marbles, John has x means in the 45, if we minus x, remaining are Janvi has. Isn't it? Suppose Rama and myself and Rama are x plus y is equal to 10 marbles. Total y how many? 10 minus x y has. Isn't it? Like that. John and Janvi has 5 marbles, but John has x marbles. Janvi has you see x plus not 45 minus x Janvi has. Yes. Now another information what has given, they lost 5 marbles each. They lost 5 marbles each. John has lost 5 marbles and Janvi has also lost 5 marbles. Let us write. You see, John lost how many of total x? X minus 5. It is first equation. Janvi has how many? Janvi has how many? 45 minus x. 45 minus x. Of them, she lost 5 marbles. Isn't it? It is. That means let us simplify. Yes, 45 minus x 40 and minus x. It is second equation. Let us see. Now, at present, John has how many? X minus 5. At present, Janvi has how many marbles? 40 minus x. But further, what he has said, if we find the product of these at present marbles, that is equal to 124. At present marbles, how many? X minus 5 into 45 minus x is equal to 124. Where do we get 124? In the problem itself given. We did not find anything more. Yes, let us find whether it is correct or not. Isn't it? Yes, x into 40x, 40x plus into plus plus x into 40x, 40x plus into minus x into x square. With x we multiply the both. Next minus 5 is there. Let us multiply this with minus 5. Minus into plus minus 5 what is 200 minus into minus plus 5 into x 5x is equal to 124. Let us simplify let us bring first generally we put x square first, let us x isn't it after the exponent order highest next lowest let us write first what is minus x square. Next x let us write 40x 5x here 40x here what is 5x plus both are plus 45x. Next what more here minus 200 this 124 let us bring to the side plus 124 becomes 124 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Still we can minus x square minus x square plus 45x minus 200 minus 124 minus 324 is equal to x. Alright. We came to quadratic equation because power is 2. But they somewhere else it looks somewhat odd, isn't it? Generally we say in Telugu, that is we ask. That means first we ask positive values, next minus values, negative values we ask. Let's first, in the first negative values, let us make it positive values. If we want to make it both sides multiply with minus into minus plus x square minus into plus minus 45x minus into minus plus 324 yes is equal to minus into plus 2 plus minus with 0 with whatever we multiply 0 is 0, that's all is equal to 0, isn't it? Yes, we came to conclusion that equation came. Now how many each has means we have to solve the equation, that's all. Let us solve. But here is no place. Let us I rub off this matter, entire matter. Isn't it? Are you able to understand? We reached the equation, that's all. Yes, I am going to wipe off this, rub off it. Let us see. Now what is x square? Let us write x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Let us rub off it. Now it is. We now has to solve the equation. You see, there is a procedure. If we want to solve the quadratic equation, there is procedure. First one into third one in left side of the equation. And we have to separate that into two factors in a such a way, in what way the two factors sum or difference must be equal to the middle term. What is the middle term? It is the term. It is the left side. First one and last one. And first one 1 and 2. Last one is 3. Let us factorize. X square into 3, 324 x square it is. Isn't it? 324 x square. Let us factorize. How to factorize? The factors of the sum of the factors must be equal to this, or the difference of the factors must be equal to that. In such a way we have to factorize this. Yes, factorize 1 x square. No. Let us do 2 into how many? 2 into 1 to 2 2x into 1 to 2 1 6 2. Then it is not. But let us see. 3 goes 3 yes 3 goes 3x one time and into 8 times x. It is 3 times. But 3 plus 1 8 what is 111. 3 minus it is only 105, but 45, 40 x is there. What is that? 40x or 45x or sorry, what did we do? Sorry, 45x we forgot to write. But still further let us see what is 4. 4 does not go, 5 does not go, 6 does not. 6 goes 5x into 5 6 are 30 in 24. What is 4 times 5 4 x. Yes, if we add what is 49, if we add for 59 subtract 49, but it must be 45 only. It must be 45x only, isn't it? Yes. Further let us see. 7 goes 7 not goes 8 goes yes 8 goes 8x 8 how many goes 3 times 24 plus 6 no 8 does not also go 9 let us see 9 goes yes how many times 3 times 3 times x 3 9s are 27 27 means 5 more means how many 6 times 6 9s are 54 x yeah 9 goes. Let us see now add 9 plus 36 45. Yes, 45 is there, but symbol also must be there, isn't it? Minus 45 minuses also be add. Let us minus it minus 9x and minus 36x becomes minus 45x. Yes, it is suitable this. Let us write x square minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 is equal to 0. What did we do? We did nothing. We factorized in such a way that difference of the factor or sum of the factor must be equal to the middle term. It is the splitting the middle term process, isn't it? Yes. Let us see. Let us group this. It is one group. It is one group. It is x square minus 9x one group minus 36x plus 324 is another group equal to 0. Understand? Yes. What will be here? X is there, isn't it? X letters. What is the common thing here? That is to be bring out. That is to be brought out. What is in this? It is x is there. X brought out. X into x plus into plus plus. So x is there. Yes, minus plus into minus becomes minus. Isn't it? Minus. Yeah. Plus into minus becomes minus. It is x minus. Isn't it? Yes. In this x brought out 9 remained. 9x x brought out 9 remained. X into 9 9x. All right. Another one. Let us see. How did we bring out the common ones in such a way the bracket things must be the same. In such a way the bracketed things must be the same. Like that we have to bring out here x. Let us bring out x. Let us bring out x. X let us bring out means here x must be there means 36x let us bring. 36x let us bring. Yes, what more here? Minus x more, minus x more, not minus x, plus x must be. So minus 36 and x is there. Yes, minus into plus, minus 36x into 36x. Isn't it? In such a way, we have to bring out. In that way, you have to make it to be habituated. Isn't it? Yes, you have to accustom to that way. Next. What is minus into plus minus or not plus must be minus into minus minus. Yes, 36 how many times goes? If you don't know, you multiply here. Already we did 30 times goes, 9 times goes, 9 6 are yes, exactly 9 times goes. Isn't it? 9 times. Yes, that is the way. Here 36. These are two factors. These are the two factors of this. 36 brought means 9x will be divided. X already brought out means this is. Isn't it? Now two things. One is x into x minus 9 minus 36 into x minus 9. Yes, x and minus 30x after once bring out to outside. And of these two common bracket things, one we have to take. What is 1? X minus 9 is equal to 0 is equal to 0 also here. Yes, separately we have to find out x minus 36 is equal to 0. Another one, x minus 9 is equal to 0. Yes. Therefore, x is equal to minus 36 when goes to the other side plus 36, and here x is equal to minus 9 when goes to the other side plus 9. Yes, x is equal to 36 and x is equal to 9. Now each has how many marbles at present? X 30 marbles. One has 30 marbles and x has 30 marbles or 9 marbles. Two rules came. If we what is place in the x, this equation also correct. If we place 9, then also this equation is correct, isn't it? If we substitute 30, then 30 not 36, then also the equation will be correct. If we substitute 9, then also this also correct, isn't it? Now let us see, let us verify of the total 45 marks. Verification, let us do verification. Total 45 marbles, John and Janvi, 45 marbles, and what is John has x marbles, Janvi has x minus 5, 45 minus 36, that is equal for 9 marbles. Janvi has 9 marbles, isn't it? Yes, both has how many? Now 45 minus 9, what is? It is 45 minus x. Yes, one is 9, one is 36. If we multiply, that is equal to 124. 9 4s, 9 4s are 54. 4 it is 27. Yes, this after 40, 36 and 9, isn't it? Let us 36. 36 means minus 5, 1, and another one, another 5. Subtract. If we verify, say we get, but x has 39, and we do what is John has our total has 45 marbles. John has how many? X is equal to 45 minus x is equal to 45 minus 9, 36. Isn't it? And 36 one has, 9 has, another has. And both lost 5 marbles. 36 minus 5, what is 31? 4, 5 minus 9 minus 5, 4. 31 into 4, we can get the same. Isn't it? Yeah, that is the verification. Let us do another problem. What is? Yes, what is that problem? Yes, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. A cottage industry producing certain number of toys only. Certain number of toys means, let us say X toys. It is producing daily, the production of the cottage industry daily is X toys, isn't it? Yes, the cost of the production each day, today X, daily X, X number of toys producing. By each day cost how much? Suppose X toys produced, the cost is how much? 55 minus the number of toys produced. Number of toys produced how many? X. 55 minus X is the cost of the each day. Alright. Next, total cost of production. Total cost of it is the cost of each day in rupees was found to be 55 minus 1. That is the what is the cost of the each toy. Each toy is 55 minus X. That is cost of production. But total cost of production, that means one cost is this. Total means number of toys this. If we multiply, we can get the same. Yes, let us do. A cottage industry produces certain number of toys. number of toys. Yes, cottage industry produces how many? Produces X toys. Let us see. Now the cost of production each toy cost of production what is production, how much each toy cost of production, how much you see 55 minus number of toys produced. Yes, 55 minus number of toys produced, how many? X. That is the each day cost of production. Each toy cost of production. If one toy, if they want to produce, you make, how much amount is needed? 55 minus X. What is X? X is the production each day. Production, how many toys? X toys. 55 minus X is equal to, Q is given, each toy cost is given. But further what did he ask? In a day, on a particular day, the total cost of production each day. The total cost of production each day, one total cost of production. Total cost of production. Total cost of production, what is? Number of toys each day on a particular day. Particular day. Daily how many? Daily X number of toys producing. On a particular day, how many toys? X. What is X toys? One toy cost how much? It is 55 minus X. It is where? It is also given. Yes, X number of toys produced in a day, each toy cost is, if we multiply total cost of production on a particular day or each day, we can get, but what is given? That is equal to 750 at all. That is equal to 750 rupees. That is equal to, what is 750 rupees. Now equation we can get, easily we can solve the equation. Yes, what is X into 55 how much? Plus into plus 55x. X plus into with x plus into minus x into x square is equal to 750. Now 55x minus x square by 750. Let us bring minus 750 is equal to 0 came, but still looks odd. Isn't it? You see, first we have to write minus x square, next to 55x minus 750. Looks odd or not? Because what we are saying, assets and borrows. Is it? Next, but we say only positive ones, but looks to be negative ones. Yes, let us make it positive. What? We are multiplying with one side with minus. Here also multiply with minus 1. Minus into minus plus x square, minus into minus plus 55x, minus into minus plus 750 is equal to 0. Plus into minus minus 0 or plus 0. 0 itself is there nothing. What is the plus? What is minus? No, nothing is there. No value. Yes. Now we reached some equation. Equation we reached means solvation of the equation. Very easy quadratic solvation. First one into third one of the left side, that we have to separate into factorize. We have to factorize. That factors must be in a such way that sum or difference must be equal to the middle term. Isn't it? In that way, let us see. I am going to rub off it matter. Yes. Carefully we have to rub off, otherwise what is x square minus 55 x plus 750 is equal to 0. Let us rub off it carefully. Yes, no, there is no care at all. Entire we are going to. Yes, we have to factorize. How? x is first one into third one of the left side. First one that is x square. Last one 750. All together 750 x square. It is to be factorized. How? In such a way the total or difference must be equal to the middle term. It is called splitting of the middle term process. Let us do it. In being it is last one is 0, 10 or 5 only goes 5. Let us see 5x into how many times 75 means 15x 550 is 75. Let us do add 10, add 20 minus 10, not 20, not 10 here. Let us see 10x into what is 10 into how much? 5, sorry, 5, 1, 5, 5, 2 remains 5 times is 150. Yes, 7 x 7 that means 75x 10 and 75. Here let us add 85. Let us subtract 65. Not 85, not 65. Let us further let us do what is 15 goes 15x. How many times? 5 times 50x 550 75 is work. Let us add 15 50 65. Let us subtract 45. Not 50, not 65, not 35. Isn't it? Let us do 20 not goes 25. Let us see 25x. How many times x? 3 times 30. Yes, let us do 25 is 30, 75x square, x square. Let us add 25 plus 30, 55. Yes, came 55. Yes, it is this process, this factorization, this is correct. What is plus plus 55? No, minus 55. That means both must be minuses. Minus 25 minus 30 minus 55. Now let us write x square minus, let us write instead of it minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0 over. Yes, right. Let us group it. These two one group, these two one group. X square minus 25x one group and minus 30x plus 75 750x 50, that's all. This is one group. In this common ones we have to bring out what is common about common ones. Here x square 25x, x is the common one. Let us bring out common one. X is the common one. What is x is the common one? Yes, x into x square plus into plus. Yes, plus it is plus into plus into what is equal to minus, plus into minus is equal to minus, plus into minus is equal to minus. All right. Yes, already x brought out. What will be more? 25 is the more. 25 here, x into 25x. Yes, here also we have to bring out in such a way. In what way? The bracketed things must be same here. In such a way we have to bring out. Here also x must be here. So let us bring out 30. Let us bring out 30. It's 30x here. Plus into plus is plus. Plus here 30 minus is there. Minus into plus. Yes, my plus 30. Let us bring. Plus 30, let us bring. Let us write x here. 30 plus into plus 30x. But here minus will be. So minus let us bring. But here we will put minus. But here no minus is there. So minus right here. Minus 30 minus into plus minus 30 into x 30x. Yes, here must be plus must be. So minus right here. Minus into minus plus. Yes, how many 750s are there? You see 750s are there. How many? Yes, for 30, 25 is equal to, yes, minus into minus plus 30, 25, 75, 750 already written here. Yes, now let us bring out outside ones. What are outside ones? X is outside ones, minus 30 is outside ones, and inside ones are one of the two are there, two are common, but of the two common ones, one thing you take out. Yes, x minus 25, here also x minus 25 is equal to 0. Let us write here x minus 30 is equal to 0 and x minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to when goes to the other side 30, x is equal to when goes to the other side 25. X value is 25 and 30 and two roots came. That means if we substitute x value here in this equation, it is equal to 0. If we substitute 25 in this equation, that is equal to 0. Yes, if you verify, it is also, we can verify the same. Answer is correct. Are you able to understand? Yes, you see it some here, tricky one, some sort of intricate one is there. What is production is, daily production is X. What is the one toy cost? Not production cost. One toy cost is 55 minus production of that day. Production of that day is X. 55 minus X. That is we have to multiply. Minus 55 minus number of toys produced in a particular day. Particular day, how many toys produced? X. One toy cost as how much? 55 minus X. 55 minus X is equal to one toy cost. Total cost on each day, X value, X units. That means X toys. Total cost of production is total cost of you toys into each toy cost. Each toy cost X into 50 minus X is equal to total cost of production on a particular day. But that is equal to 750. Yes, the equation came. We can solve easily, properly, isn't it? Thank you very much. Please like and share.